Hi, Lori here. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the course. I realize I didn't set up any videos where I talk to you about how I'm thinking about how the course is organized or how we're thinking about the title of the course, which is Women's Perspectives and Values. First of all, I hope you read the description, which is much more broad than that. The department is changing our name to Women's Gender and Sexuality Studies, and this course is an introduction to that field. So I wanted you to read readings that take seriously the differences that we have in our experiences. Audre Lorde's article where she talks about the fact that it's not the differences that separate us, but the way we've been taught to think about difference is so useful. Because we learn to judge ourselves, as Hooks talks about, from early on, not having an understanding of love, of a love of the self, of our own ability to care for ourselves. And then we take that inability and we judge not only ourselves, but others. I truly believe that justice will come into the world more fully if we're able to practice love of ourselves and love of others, especially those that are different than ourselves. So I've organized the course around amazing readings that look at the different ways people from all different backgrounds experience the world and how the world makes meanings about each of us, about each of our bodies, about each of our abilities to do work, to have families, to survive violence, and to find love. I've tried my best to include videos that have multiple perspectives and readings also from multiple perspectives. So I hope you're enjoying it. I really enjoyed reading all your papers, your comments, and I look forward to that ongoing in the future. Remember, I have office hours on Mondays from noon to 2, and you can catch me on video at Google Hangouts, or you can join the meeting that I always send you an email about. Plus, the upcoming weeks, February 20 and 21 and 27 and 28, I'll be on campus. I'll have office hours, and I'd love to see you in person. But you could also call me in my office during that time. Anyway, let me know if you have any questions or comments, and I look forward to our ongoing relationship this semester. Peace.